Okay, we are off of Brightwaters Avenue at Northeast in St. Pete. This is going to be the 2-inch line that ties in to the 3-inch. Actually, looks like 4-inch. And we're not going to be able to go any further than this on the 2-inch line, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out and then run the other 2-inch all the way to the 4-inch, pull back, and then check the rest of the 4-inch out. So there's a total on the original part of the roof, or I'm assuming where the shingles are, there's a total of 3 stacks. I haven't been able to go inside a house yet, so I don't know how the layout is. But this is 1 vent stack out of 3 on the original part of the house. And we're going to go ahead and pause here. So this is going to be on the far left-hand side of the house near the driveway. This part is PVC, so this has been an add-on. Definitely 2-inch. It's holding some water. Given the fact that it is 2-inch, so it could be like looks mostly like it's a laundry room. So I'm gonna take a wild stab at it and say that that's what this is. It's either that or it's gonna be a kitchen. This line itself looks good too. It's holding some water, but not too bad. You can see here that it always looks worse than it is when we push forward. This actually looks like a combo for the 3-inch line. So it looks like this is definitely an add-on part. Everything in this particular 2-inch line looks good. We're going to go ahead and pull back. So this is vent stack number 2 of 3 on the original part of the roof. Where the add-on in the back is, it looks like there's definitely some more vent stacks. So we can see here that this 2-inch line looks to be in good condition. It's PVC. Ties into a 3-inch PVC line. And as I'm pulling this back, I'm seeing just, gray. It looks like gray water. So this is either going to be this is likely to be a kitchen sink or a laundry room. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pause here. We're at the base of the stack. So that was definitely going to be a kitchen line. As I pulled back, I had a whole bunch of grease on my hand. Trying to see if we can successfully get down this. There we go. So this is definitely a 4-inch sewer line here. Cast iron underneath the house. With that being said, everyone has to know that with cast iron, you're never going to see it perfect. So what we're looking for is major scaling or any kind of breaks or roots in the line. So the section of cast iron to the base of the stack, you can see that's where the kitchen tie-in, that 2-inch, the 2 to 3. This is cast iron and PVC. Must be a little lip here from that little section where they've made the repair or added on. There we go. You can see it's just some residual buildup on the side of the pipe, nothing bad. Just due to the distance and turns that we've been making, it's going to be a little difficult for me to get all the way to the city tap. But we can see here that underneath the house and exiting the house is going to be cast iron. We're getting really close to a stopping point as far as how far I'm going to be able to push the camera. It's barely moving along at this point. But you can see the cast iron here looks to be in really good condition. I don't see any issues. So we're going to go ahead and zero out the counter, pull back nice and slow. We'll be able to see how far I was able to get. A little bit of buildup, nothing bad. Since it's a 4-inch pipe, everything should just move around, no problem. I don't see any breaks or cracks in the pipe or roots. We must be at that little, PVC section here. It's holding a little bit of water, but it's not that much. Got a little bit of toilet paper in the line. So 26 feet in either direction is going to land me very close to going outside the house. You can see more toilet paper. So that's a perfect example to not use Charmin, Angel Soft, or Cottonelle type of toilet paper, or even flushable wipes, as these types of toilet papers just don't dissolve and get stuck in the pipe. There's another piece. So we're almost 40 feet out. So yep, about 40 feet out. That should definitely cover going outside the house for sure. So everything underneath the house looks to be in good condition. It's cast iron. Small little section of PVC that looks like it's going to be a kitchen 2-inch running into a 2x3 combo, which is that PV section that we saw.